First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To copy data from Samsung to laptop, run the software on your laptop. Connect your Samsung device to your laptop via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung device. After successfully connecting, data on your Samsung device will be displayed by categories in the interface. You can click each data type, including contacts, call logs, SMS, music, videos, photos, books, and apps, and scroll down to view them in detail. After that, click on the data type you need, such as contacts. Select the contacts you wish to copy to your laptop. Click Export, choose a file format and a location to save, then click OK.